These are all the spare parts in the package. Includes the parts needed for installation. Of course, if you have purchased your own tools, the installation experience will be smoother. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. Remove the nut spacer. Install the training wheel and spacer in that order and tighten the nut. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Turn the fork straight. Pick up the handlebar, loosen the handle screws, and remove the protective sleeve. The handler bar can now be inserted into the head tube. Beyond the minimum safety line and the nut tightened. Adjust the handlebar to an angle that makes it easy to grip. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Loosen the line on the brake and remove the fork protection lever. Remove the nuts, spacers, and retaining washers on both sides of the front wheel. Install the front wheel into the fork. Install the retaining washer and then tighten the nut. Unscrew the fender retaining screws. Attach the front fender to the fork. Retighten the brake line. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. The pedals are labeled, R is the right pedal and L is the left. Insert the pedals into the cranks and screw them in, then tighten with a wrench. Right footrest tighten clockwise, left footrest tighten counterclockwise. Step 5. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat tube clamp and tighten it after inserting the saddle tube into the seat tube beyond the minimum safety line. Step 6. Assemble the other accessories. Rear fenders are installed at the saddle tubes and need to be fitted with washers before installation. Rear reflector mount also mounted at saddle tube. White reflector mounted in the center of the handlebar. Secure the basket to the handlebar with straps. The bell is mounted on the right-hand side. To the end of this installation, please contact us if you have any questions.